With burgers and fries, that's all they crave. Big portions, no self-control, misbehaved. But there's a solution, here's the key. It starts with healthy eating, let me set you free. Blueberries, strawberries, ripe and sweet, super fruits that you need to eat. They'll boost your mood, make you feel fine. Say goodbye to the junk food, it's time to shine. Super people, that's what we'll become. With our healthy lifestyle, we'll overcome